The project for the day. She asked me, could I fix this? And I said, man, you tripping. But I can fix anything. So the best thing to do is go online, man. Order your part. There you go. Order your part. Some people say, oh, man, I got to get a whole nother thing. This thing costs $5,000. No, man, order your part. Order your part. Google it. Order your part. Yeah, I told her I can fix anything. So I looked at it. I was like, you know what I'm saying? Then I decided to use AI. My own AI. My brain, man. 2020. Google it. Order your part. Get your brand new part. Like anything else. Get your part. It's going to come in the mail. Hold on. I'm on the one camera. I'm on the one candle. The one handle. You know what I'm talking about. If you ever been trying to film something, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Brand new. You know what I'm saying? These things all on the internet, man. These $4,000, $5,000, all these things cost too much doggone money, man. Ordered it up. Got the brand new part right here, baby. Brand new part. This is what you do. You see that? That unlocks. You know what I'm saying? All you got to do is twist. Uh-oh. Well, don't matter if I dropped it. That unlocks, man. Now that's down on the ground. Yeah, hold on. Hold on, because I'm doing this. This is impromptu. Yeah. So, you got this hose. And this connects onto it. All you got to do is line it up. Like so. And it's fixed. Now you got a brand new one. You went from this to this